Ever wished there was a way to get paid instantly without having to chase down invoices or deal with complicated bank transfers? A way to simply send a link and have the money land directly in your account? Well, what if I told you that's not just a dream, but a reality for thousands of businesses? Today, we're diving into the world of payment links and how Qonto is turning this simple concept into a powerful tool for modern entrepreneurs. Forget the days of waiting for checks in the mail or the back and forth of international wire transfers. We're talking about a payment method so streamlined, it feels like magic. But as with all great magic, there's a clever trick behind the curtain. So, how exactly do payment links work with Qonto? The core idea is brilliantly simple. Instead of creating a full-blown invoice with a PDF attached and a long email explaining where to send the money, you generate a unique, secure URL. This URL is a direct gateway for your customer to pay you. They click it, and they're taken to a secure, branded payment page where they can complete the transaction with a few taps. No need for them to have a Qonto account, no need for them to log in anywhere. It's a frictionless experience that makes paying you as easy as buying a coffee online. For you, the business owner, the process is even more impressive. Within your Qonto account, you can create a payment link in less than a minute. You specify the amount, the currency, and a brief description of what the payment is for. You can even set a validity period, so the link expires after a certain time, adding an extra layer of security and urgency. Once the link is generated, you can share it anywhere, in an email, a text message, on social media, or even embed it on your website. Think about the use cases. A freelance photographer finishes a shoot and sends a payment link for the final installment. A digital marketer completes a project and shares a link via WhatsApp for their retainer fee. A small shop owner uses it to accept a quick payment over the phone. The flexibility is what makes it so revolutionary. You are no longer confined to traditional payment methods. You're empowered to get paid, wherever you are, whenever the moment strikes. But what about the magic happening behind the scenes? When a customer clicks the link and pays, Qonto acts as the secure intermediary. It processes the payment, handles all the technical details, and ensures the money is safely and instantly transferred to your Qonto business account. You'll receive a notification as soon as the payment is made, giving you real-time visibility into your cash flow. The entire process is secure, compliant with all the necessary regulations, and backed by Qonto's robust financial technology. One of the most significant advantages is the professionalism it projects. Sending a polished, branded payment link looks far more professional than asking for a bank account number in a casual email. It signals that you're a modern, tech-savvy business that values efficiency and security. Payment links with Qonto aren't just about getting paid faster, they're about working smarter. They reduce administrative tasks, minimize the risk of human error, and provide a seamless experience for your clients. In a world where every minute counts, a tool that helps you get paid with a single click is an invaluable asset. It frees you up to focus on what you do best, running and growing your business. So, if you're tired of the old way of doing things, and you're ready to embrace a smarter, more efficient approach to payments, it's time to explore what Qonto's payment links can do for you. They're simple, secure, and incredibly powerful. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.